tonight. Merry Christmas to each and everyone and welcome to your Christmas party.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Welcome to the AAP Christmas Party 2024. And I'm glad to see you all tonight in your disco outfits.
As we head into the holiday season, I hope you all also take time to relax, recharge, and cherish moments with your loved ones.
So let's leave the work stress behind, enjoy the great food, laughter, and toast to a disco night to remember. As we all know, this event is a special time for all of us to celebrate and appreciate the hardworking people behind AAP. Kaya gusto kong umpisahan itong gabing ito sa papamagitan ng pasasalamat sa inyong lahat. Went above and beyond to make sure we all accelerate together. That's testament that we all accelerated forward together. Okay, so salamat ulit sa inyong lahat. Palakpakan nyo naman yung ulit yung mga sarili. This festive season bring joy to you and your loved ones. Merry Christmas, my AAP family. And sinabi ni Sergio, mahal ko kayong lahat, walang exception.
I ain't worried about it.